Hi friends, welcome to English classes. I am Jijo Abraham. Today we are going to discuss about prefer and would rather, the use of prefer and would rather. Before we start the class, those who haven't enabled the bell icon and subscribe our channel, please do it, that you may get the future videos too. Let's start the class. Prefer to do or prefer doing. We can use prefer to do or prefer doing to say what you or what we prefer in general. For example, I don't like cities. I prefer to live in the country. That you can say in other words, I prefer living in the country. Then when we take the structure of this prefer, it can be expressed in three ways. I prefer something to something else. That is first. Second, I prefer doing something to doing something else. Third one, I prefer to do something rather than do something else. Let's go with the examples. First one, I prefer this coat to the coat you were wearing yesterday. So two coats are compared. Second one, I prefer driving to traveling by train. So one mode of transportation to another transportation. Next one, if we take the case, I prefer to drive. If you use the same as instead of driving, if you use to drive, the other part also would be varied. I prefer to do driving rather than travel by train. Then, Anne prefers to live in the country rather than in the city, or rather than live in the city. Next one, would prefer or I would prefer. We use would prefer to say what somebody wants in a particular situation. So it is not in general sense. Would you prefer tea or coffee? Coffee please. The person's preference is given. We say would prefer to do or not doing, or would prefer to do. That means it is not doing. What shall we go by train? Well, I would prefer go by a car. Or I would prefer going is wrong to say. There we say I would prefer to go by car. Then I would prefer to stay at home tonight rather than to go to the cinema. I would prefer to stay at home, to stay. Then second part, go to the cinema. Okay, so there in the second part, to is not added. There the base form of the verb. Rather than go to the cinema. It is wrong to say rather than to go to cinema. It is usually said as rather than go to the cinema. Next one, would rather. When it is added, that would rather is equal to would prefer to do something. After would rather, we use infinitive without to. So we cannot use to instead. We cannot use to for the second case. Shall we go by train? I would prefer to go by car, or I would rather go by car. Okay. For the second case, after rather, we cannot use to. Okay. The first previous case also we have seen, I would prefer to stay at home tonight rather than go to the cinema. It cannot be said. The last case cannot be said over there. You can see, I would prefer to stay at home tonight rather than go to the cinema. Same, second example. Would you rather have tea or coffee? Coffee please. There, would you rather have. To have is wrong. But we have to say, would you rather have coffee or tea? Then, next one. The negative of I would rather is, I would rather not. Okay, I'm tired. I would rather not go out this evening. If you don't mind, I would rather not go out. Not to go is wrong. Not go out is the right form. Do you want to go out this evening? I would rather not. Okay, I would rather not to go is wrong, but we can say I would rather not go outside this night. Study the structure after the would rather. You can see I would rather do something than do something else. The second form that we discussed in the beginning, I would rather stay at home tonight than go to the cinema. I would rather stay at home tonight than to go is wrong. There we say than go to the cinema. Then I would rather you did something. That is the third form. When you want somebody to do something for you, you can say I would rather you did something. Shall I stay here? I would rather you came with us. Okay, you come with us is wrong form. You came with us. That means the person or the speaker intends the other one not to stay there but go with them. Shall I tell the news? No, I would rather they didn't know. That means you need to reveal, you need to tell. This is what the intention that is said over there. Shall I tell them? Would you rather they didn't know? Shall I tell them, or would you rather they didn't know? They don't know is wrong formation. It is right to say they didn't know. In the structure, we use the past, came, did, etc. But the meaning is present or future, not the past. For example, compare the sentences. I would rather cook the dinner now. I would rather cook the dinner now. The meaning is clearly, and the sentence structure is also indicating that it is its meaning is given in present. Second one, I would rather you cooked the dinner now. It was expected and it is not done so. So I would rather you cook the dinner now. It's better you cook. Okay, not I would rather you cook the dinner now. I would rather you cook the dinner now. The next one, the negative is I would rather you did it. I would rather you didn't tell anyone what I said. Do you mind if I smoke? I would rather you didn't. Okay, the intention is clearly given that you should not smoke now. But the structure or the sentence is formed in past or in the past formation is there, but at the same time meaning goes to the present. This is what the end of the video. Thank you for watching this video. I would like to wish you an amazing day. Thank you.